Our planet Earth feels big to us. We have vast oceans, towering mountains, and sprawling cities. But Earth is just a tiny speck in our solar system. Our Sun, a star much bigger than Earth, holds our planets in its orbit, and our solar system, it's just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. Now imagine this. The Milky Way, with all its stars and planets, is just one galaxy among trillions in the universe. It's mind-boggling to think about how much is out there, beyond our own galaxy. When we look up at the night sky, we are seeing just a tiny fraction of the stars in our own galaxy. The universe is so vast that it's hard to wrap our minds around its size. If we could travel at the speed of light, it would still take us billions of years to cross it. The distances are so immense that we use light years to measure them. 1 light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. And the most amazing part, the universe is not static, it's constantly growing bigger. Imagine a balloon with dots drawn all over it. As you blow air into the balloon, it expands, and the dots move farther apart. That's a simple way to visualize how the universe is expanding. Space itself is stretching, like the surface of the balloon. As the universe expands, galaxies are moving away from each other. It's not that the galaxies themselves are moving through space, but rather the space between them is increasing. This expansion has been happening ever since the Big Bang, the event that scientists believe started the universe. How do we know the universe is expanding? Scientists observe something called redshift. As light travels through the expanding universe, its wavelength gets stretched out, shifting towards the red end of the spectrum. This redshift tells us that galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it seems to be moving away. The expansion of the universe is a mind-blowing concept. It means that the universe is not static, it's dynamic and ever-changing, and it leads us to wonder, how big will it get? The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. That means that the farthest we can see into space is about 13.8 billion light-years away. This is our observable universe, the part that we can detect with our telescopes. But what lies beyond that? We can't see beyond the observable universe because light from those distant regions hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. It's like standing on a ship in the middle of the ocean. You can only see a certain distance to the horizon. Beyond that, there's more ocean, but you can't see it. So, while we know a lot about the observable universe, the truth is, we're only seeing a tiny piece of the puzzle. The universe is likely much, much bigger than what we can currently observe, and it's constantly expanding, pushing the boundaries of what we can see even farther away. This realization is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It reminds us that there's still so much out there to discover, so much we don't know about the cosmos. The vastness of the universe is a constant source of wonder. It makes us question our place in the grand scheme of things. We are but a small species on a small planet, orbiting an average star in an ordinary galaxy. Yet we have the incredible ability to study the universe and try to understand its mysteries. The fact that the universe is ever expanding opens up even more questions. What is it expanding into? What lies beyond our observable universe? Will it continue to expand forever, or will it eventually stop and contract? These are questions that scientists are still grappling with. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are bound to make even more astonishing discoveries. The universe is full of surprises, and with each new observation we gain a deeper appreciation for its vastness and complexity. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are looking at a tiny fraction of something truly immense and ever-evolving. The universe is out there, waiting to be explored.